This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 9 of Building Robocop. It's continuing the arm after looking at some filming details. If you want to obviously pause and read all the words, feel free to do so. I'm not going to look through them all now. I will go back and read through some of these at some point in my own time. So I do find it interesting, and behind the scenes stuff is always good. So yes, this is the right arm part 2. We're putting the lower arm part on, and then wrist. It was a little bit close to be the wrist, but it might well be the wrist part. No, not the wrist. It's still got a lower arm piece to go. But yeah, all good things. Looking good and coming together. We've got that top bit. Why is that not coloured in? Anyway, Robot, the origins of the name. Yeah, why did Robot come around? You can read it and find out. Aerogel, yes, aerogel I'm aware of. Never actually seen nor touched any, but yeah, it's the most insulating substance that we've yet created, as far as I'm aware. Very light, but very dense, and you can literally have fire going off on it and hold it and it won't do anything. So yeah, all good things. Interesting stuff. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get the lower arm. I don't know, it's not triceps, the other side of the bicep and tricep. I don't know what these ones are called, but yes, it's that part of your arm. That's what we're building. Yeah, here we go. So we've got a plastic bit, a big metal bit. This is going to go onto there that way round. We've got 4 points of attachment. We've got 2 screws to go in the bottom there, one on this side and one on that side, and I think they're all different. That's got to go on there, lining up these 2 in the bottom there, which you can't see. So you just got to feel to make sure you get in the right place. Actually, before I do that, let me check to see. These need to be AP screws in the bottom there. So let's get 2 of those out. Once I get them in place, then I know the top bit's going to be all right. They're going to be AP screws. Actually, while I'm here, CM and CP. So CM, let's keep that one over there. CP on that side. So CM is going in this side. CP on that side through those bits. So let's see if I can get this lined up. I can feel these locate. There we go. That's that in there. So we can get these in here. Hopefully. Certainly feels like that's screwing into something. So it's got to be in the right place, really. Let's make sure by getting the other one in as well. Yeah, that's not tight, but it's also fine. So let's get this one in this side. Going to be a little bit of wobble to get that in the right place there anyway. Is that lined up somewhere? Not sure that's right, but it's going somewhere. So let's try and get the other one in again, at least just a little bit. Pretty sure they've got to be in the right places, otherwise they wouldn't be going up doing up into anything at all. Let's get those all tightened up. Should still be plenty of rotation in this elbow. Actually, it should be even easier to do now because it's got a big bit attached to it. So we'll find out momentarily. I do need 2 more CM screws. Should be extras in there. There's 3 in there, so 2 more of those will come out. And then I can put all the rest of the screws in my pile of stuff that once I finish this issue, I will get built up. That is going to go on there. It'll only go one way round because it won't fit molding in the other way round. And we've got 2 screw holes to line up on that. I've lined that up already. Those 2 there, obviously easy. One is off to one side and one isn't. Way around. Has to be that way around. Should be there. And the other one. Top. Ah, right. This is the right arm. So this one, I believe, can be swapped out. This is going to be either the hand, or you can have a hand which has got the data jack sticking out of it, which you need to sort of swap over if you want to swap them over. So this might be the attachment for that. Something can attach in there like a ball joint. Maybe it's going to have some rotation. I'm not entirely certain. But there we have that. And yeah, we do still get elbow movement. And it's got that nice rubber inner jacket that looks like an inner jacket. So you can't actually see, it's just not joints, which is very nice. It's robotic, but it's not that robotic. Oh, it is really starting to come together. It's getting a bit of weight to it as well now. So I'm very happy with the build so far. So thank you very much for watching so far. I have one more issue in this pack. So join me for that in a couple of days. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.